Hello guys, in today's episode we have a very interesting question to tackle, which is 8 power x plus 1 over 2 raised to power x minus 1 equals to 4 power 3x. We are told to calculate the value of x, right? So to do this, let's see what we can do here. Let me just rewrite. This is x plus 1 over 2 raised to power x minus 1 equals to 4 power 3x. Now notice we have some terms in it like 8 and 4 which are still multiple of 2, so I feel we can do something there. So for this part, 8 can be rewritten as this is 2 power 3 power x plus 1 over 2 power x minus 1, which is equals to this 4 can be rewritten as 2 power 2 power 3x, right? Now there's something we can do here from the law of indices that we know. I'm trying to break down something we will do here. We said if we have something like a power x raised to power y is equals to a xy, right? So for this part we can have something here to be 2 power 3 times whatever is there, which is x plus 1, everything over 2 pi x minus 1 to be equals to 2 power, the same law here, 2 times 3, that's 6x, right? So with this we are having it that from the law of indices, a quick recap for this part because there's something I want to talk about here. It said if I have a power x over a power y is the same thing as saying a power x minus y. So I want to use the same rule here. So applying that here, I will have 2, we have 2 and 2, so 2 power 3, let me just expand this quickly, 3x plus 3 times x, 3 times 1. Then I will subtract whatever I have here based on this rule, which is x minus 1, to be equals to 2 power 6x. Now, let's quickly expand this and rearrange. We are having 2 power 3x plus 3 minus x plus 1, if I expand this, to be equals to 2 power 6x, which clearly you can see we will have we'll compare the terms, right? Because it is said again in the law of indices. Sorry, I always remind you of it so we don't have any complication. So it is said that if we have a power x to be equals to a power y, it implies that x is equals to y, right? So if we apply that here, we're having 2, so we will just equate the power, which is 3x plus 3 plus 1. Let me just collect like terms. That's 4. Okay, I've not subtract x. Let me just rewrite to be equals to 6x, so that now we can just do it lastly. This is 3x minus x, that's 2x minus 6x equals to minus 4 when this cross to the other side, right? So 2x minus 6x is minus 4x to be equals to minus 4, right? So that we'll have it that if we divide both sides by minus 4, we will have x to be equals to something like minus 4 over minus 4, which is 1, which implies x is equals to 1 is the solution to this. You can actually substitute and check it out. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next episode.